Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to check who added you on iMO. A lot of people always wonder who added me on iMO, and it's actually quite easy to find out. Let's get started with the steps. Just a note before we proceed, you can no longer find out who added you on iMO on Android phones. You can still find out who added you on iMO on iPhones, but if you're using an Android phone, unfortunately, there is no way for you to find out who added you on iMO. So on your iPhone, open the iMO app. It's already open on my iPhone. Once the application is opened up, tap on your profile picture from the top left corner of your screen. On the next screen, tap on New Contact. Now on this screen, tap on People who added me, and you can see an entire list of people who added you on iMO. That's it for this video, guys. If this video helped you out, please hit that subscribe button. It really motivates me to make more videos. Also, like and share this video.